and thank you so much for tuning in to KBTV. I'm Dr. Karlisha Booze. It's the month of February, and so we are bringing awareness to heart disease with American Heart Month. And today we are joined by Debbie Bryan. She's the Director of Cardiovascular Services at Piedmont Macon. Good morning, and thank you so much for coming on the show, Debbie.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So American Heart Month, this is a month where we bring awareness to heart disease. Can you please talk about why it's so important that we just, pause and just take time and try to take care of our heart?
So I do think that people in general don't realize how important it is to have a healthy lifestyle in order to prevent heart disease. So this month, we just want to reach out to people and let them know what are some of the things that they can do, some of the signs and symptoms that they should look for, how important family history is, and just make them aware of, how important it is to have a healthy heart.
Okay. So just elaborate a little bit on, the signs and symptoms that they may experience.
Well, men are actually different than women. So men have more chest pain, like an elephant sitting on your chest. They may become diaphoretic. They may become short of breath. They have like the normal signs that people think of when they think of having a heart attack or heart disease, where women can have more jaw pain or left shoulder pain or just back pain. A lot of times, like it's a feeling of your bra being too tight. So women have different feelings. Sometimes, they can have the normal signs and symptoms, but they also can have atypical signs and symptoms. So we just want to make them aware.
Okay. So let's talk about prevention. What are some things that they can do, before it even gets to those symptoms?
So prevention would be, if you're diabetic, to control your blood sugar. Obviously, hypertension and hypercholesterol are big issues when it comes to heart disease. Eating a heart healthy diet, low sodium, getting enough exercise, just, normal things that actually would control maybe some of the underlying causes that would lead up to heart disease. And it also depends on family history. Do you have a family history of heart disease? Did your mother or father have a heart attack? It's those kind of things that people need to be aware of.
So, I would say, just aside from the symptoms that people may experience, is there a way for early detection?
Absolutely. Getting your annual health assessment, go to your doctor, make sure you get your blood work, check things like your cholesterol, have your blood sugar checked, those kind of things. It's very important to make sure that you do your annual screening for any type of underlying causes that could lead up to heart disease.
Okay, now I do understand that Piedmont Macon, do their best at making sure that, everyone's health is maintained. What are you guys doing for the month of February just to make sure that, we're taking advantage of, keeping track of our heart, make sure it's a good heart?
So we actually do a lot of health fairs, and we go out into the community throughout the year. But in February, we try to have one here at Piedmont Macon. So we're going to have a health fair on February 22nd from 7 to 10 a.m. To invite the public to come in and have some screening done. We will even be able to do blood work if it is requested, but we'll take your blood pressure. We will talk to you about the signs and symptoms of heart disease. We will talk to you about family history. We will talk to men, women. African Americans are actually at a higher risk for heart disease, and that's just based off of heredity. So we will give you all of that information. And this is completely free to the public. So we encourage everyone to come out and take advantage of this free service that we're offering to make sure that you have a healthy heart.
Okay, and they can just call to register. It's not a just pop-up thing. You have to register by calling, right?
Yes, we would like for you to register, and there is a number. It is 478-765-4801, and you can actually make an appointment to come and get your screening done free.
One last question, Debbie. For those that may be interested in getting the blood work, do they have to come can they not eat before? I know a lot of doctors always say don't eat before.
Right.
I mean, does this still apply to
It doesn't have anything to eat or drink before you come if you're planning on having blood work done, because obviously that can affect the results.
Nice. All right. Well, thank you so much, Debbie, for coming on the show. And to our viewers, again, make sure you register and take advantage of this free event. This is happening February 22nd at Piedmont Macon. Again, you can call 478-765-4801 to register or make an appointment.
It's What's Happening Weekend on KBTV, and this your boy Country Wayne.
Hey everybody, this is Tamala Man, and I'm rolling with Cardiovascular.
Hey everybody, my girl Tamar Braxton, all the way live on Cardi B TV.
Yours truly, Atlanta's own MC Life, and I want to let you know I'm all the way live with Cardi B TV. That way, the long way. I'm always Cardi B TV. Peace up and A-Town down.
Yo, this is Henry Wells, the most feared man in comedy. Street T, all the way live on Cardi B TV. I'm here, baby. Check them out.
Hey, yo, what's up? I'm Tony Terry, all the way live on Cardi B TV. You heard me?
Poker Bear, all the way live with Cardi B TV, you understand me? You gonna learn today, babe.